How's it going, riders? Today we're going to be talking about the first 5 upgrades that most new riders make when first purchasing a Harley. So one of the first upgrades that most people will tend to make on their bikes is replacing the seat. Most bikes tend to come with a solo seat, and they tend to upgrade to a 2-up seat, which would include a passenger on the back. They tend to go for more comfort or look. So now one of the next upgrades would essentially be handlebars. A lot of people like to switch up how the bike feels when it comes to where their hands are placed on the bike. A common upgrade that people tend to make with their newer bikes is the handlebars. And then from there, the hand grips. But that's a subject for another time. All right, so last but not least, we got the 3 parts, which essentially would be the stage 1 upgrade to your bike. First would be the air intake kit. This right here is a Screaming Eagle Performance Kit, which essentially improves the performance as to how your bike breathes. Next, we got the exhaust system. This one right here is a lot more versatile when it comes to how your bike looks, performs, sounds. There's many different aftermarket brands on top of what Harley makes. Depending what you want, there's many different options. And now to make all of the stage 1 stuff work all together, we got the tuner. This is about a 2-3 minute thing that you plug into your bike and overall just gets the bike adjusted from what it used to be to what it is now, with a brand new exhaust, brand new air filter intake kit. So in this video, we covered the top 5 upgrades that most Harley riders tend to make when first purchasing a brand new Harley. So if you have any upgrades that you saw in this video that you want to make with your bike, come on down to Trev Deeley's and give us a chat. We'll see you there.